Freelance lawyers platforms versus legal staffing agencies, which one is better for short-term legal projects? Most businesses get this wrong by thinking hiring a full-time lawyer is the only solution for short-term legal needs. The surprising truth is that freelance lawyer platforms and legal staffing agencies offer different advantages depending on the project. Freelance lawyer platforms connect companies with independent attorneys who specialize in specific areas, from contract drafting to regulatory compliance. These platforms allow businesses to post projects, review lawyer profiles, and hire quickly for temporary work. For example, a startup needing a one-off and a review, or a quick up filing can hire a freelance lawyer on demand, saving time and cost compared to a full-time hire. Legal staffing agencies, in contrast, act as intermediaries to provide temporary or contract lawyers for businesses. They vet candidates, handle payroll, and often provide lawyers for longer-term assignments or specialized teams. For instance, a company undergoing a merger may use an agency to staff a temporary legal team for several months, ensuring consistency and reliability without hiring permanent staff. So which is better for short-term legal projects? For highly specific project-based work with flexible timelines, freelance platforms offer speed, specialization, and cost efficiency. Legal staffing agencies are better suited for extended projects that require vetted teams, ongoing support, or compliance with internal processes. The key takeaway is that understanding the scope, duration, and complexity of your legal project is crucial. The surprising truth is that many companies underestimate the value of freelance lawyers for short-term needs, but when used strategically, they can provide high-quality legal support faster and more affordably than traditional staffing solutions. Smart businesses match the type of legal service to the project to maximize efficiency and reduce overhead.